Hi Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So, this is supposed to be for July the 18 to 20. So, nandito pa rin naman tayo sa time C. Tingnan nyo yung nagagawa ng um, abala, no? Well, anyway, I'm not here to rant. This, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, pwede po kayong sumali, no? Kung hindi nyo maabutan, mag-comment po kayo sa comment section as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. So, I want you to know, Scorpio, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, magsimula na tayo. Scorpio! So, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang meron talaga ditong parang sinasabi natin na I'm taking chances. So, parang ito na yung huli natin or ito na yung last resort, no? Hindi ko rin sure. Kumbaga, meron ditong parang sinasabi natin sa sarili natin. Hindi ko sure kung mag-work pa ito, no? Pero I'm giving this chance, this connection, a last chance. No, this could be my very, very last chance, no? Because I felt like meron na talagang sabihin natin bale, no? Ang masakit kasi dito, Scorpio, parang kay person, no? Siguro ang iniisip niya joke-joke pa rin, no? Iniisip niya siguro na ay hindi naman niya itutuloy, no? I've known Scorpio for quite a while, no? So parang kumbaga somehow, no, in a way, meron din naman tayo ditong sabihin nating either pagkakamali, no? Dahil parang si person ay nasanay na lagi naman natin inaayos. It kind of make me feel like parang sobrang kampante nito ni person na joke, hindi naman parang joke. Alam niyang galit ka, alam niyang nagtatampo ka, no? Pero pakiwari niya, hindi mo naman magagawa yung mga sinasabi mo. Ayan. So, na-judge tayo ni person, masyado niyang minamaliit, no? Ang ating, sabihin natin, kakayahan when it comes to for decision making. Page of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, wow. Nine of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. I feel like na-overpower tayo dito ni person. No? Scorpio is known as one of, the powerful zodiacs. There is, but as of the moment, parang feeling natin because of love, pinahina tayo nito, no? Because of what is happening currently. I feel like your person is, sabihin natin, na-take advantage niya, no? Itong love na binibigay mo. So, nakakuha siya ng loophole para either ma-manipulate ka, no? Without you knowing. Ngayon, nandito ka sa parang inaantay mo na lang yung either maging sagot niya, maging resulta nitong iniisip mo. Pero in reality, stress tayo, diba? Ang dami-dami ditong yung iba hanggang sa panaginip na bibitbit. No, I think that you are waiting here for something. This is for an answer or probably to give you an answer or an explanation. It could also be a reason. Pero lately, ang natatanggap natin, it's either rejection, lagi tayo nasisigawan, no? Parang laging mainit ang ulo sa atin ni person. With the awakening and the Six of Wands. Wow. So parang napansin mo dito, ay sandali. no? Sumosobra ka, no? Hindi porket pinagbibigyan kita, lagi mo akong gaganyanin, no? Hindi porket palaging umu-oo ako, lagi na lang, or hindi ako umaaray, di ba? Lagi na lang akong bunot, no? Lagi akong bunot mo. So, parang nakikita ko dito, ipapakita ko sa'yo, no? Kung sino talaga, no? Parang sabi mo dito, I'm taking my power back. Hindi pwede yung palaging ako ang nakikita mo, no? Ano ka perfect, 'di ba? Yun yung parang sa'yo. With the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Wands, and the Death card. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, siguro nakasagot na, no? Um, Meron ka ditong isang explanation na gagawin. Parang itong explanation na ito ay talagang nanunukot, no, sa kaibuturan ng kanyang um, puso at kaluluwa at ng kanyang diwa, no? I feel like nag-real talk, no, si Scorpio dito. With the Queen of Wands, this is a person who says it all, no? Sabihin natin, yeah, sinabi ko yung ginawa ko yun, pero yun kasi yung totoo. No, I'm brutally honest in here. I feel like whatever this separation is, sabihin na natin medyo nagkalabuan na, no? Pero ang nakikita ko is maayos din naman ito because of what you actually said, no? Yung nga parang nasuntok mo yung diwa niya, no? Na real talk mo siya ng bongga. It kind of make me feel na because of your explanation too, or because of your anger, it could also be galit, no? Na bigla mong nabitawan. Um, Inalog mo yung utak niya, tapos parang siya ngayon ay nagdadalawang isip, no? May sense yung sinasabi mo, no? Masakit pero may sense. Hindi mo man gustong magsalita ng, you know, masakit or manumbat, no? Kasi it felt like to me sumbat, pero you need to remind your person na because of you, no? That person wouldn't be in a position right now. It kind of make me feel na siya mismo, no? I think sabihin natin itong si person natin ay medyo ano lang, tumaas ang ere, no, dahil sa mga pagmamahal na binibigay natin. Hindi natin kasalanan, no? Gusto lang kasi nating ibigay talaga kay person yung um, love. Pero kailangan din nating makuha pabalik, no? Itong sabihin natin, ma-reciprocate man lang, no? Itong ginagawa natin. So, tingnan natin dito ang gustong sabihin ni person or yung nararamdaman. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. Don't pressure me. So, for a few numbers of you, so I feel like meron na talagang separations dito, no? It could be physical or energetic. Yeah, physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, no? But I feel like siguro itong person mo ngayon, medyo heightened pa ang iyong emotion, no? Parang kinakalabit-kalabit ka, tapos sabi magbati na tayo, no? Sabi mo, not now. Dadating din ako dun sa part na uhupa din itong galit ko, pero give me time, no? Give me time, and then we will go back to um, us being us, no? But as of the moment, you pressured me, ginawa mo akong ganito, so deal with it, di ba? As much as possible, hindi naman din gusto magsalita ni Scorpio, but Scorpio was provoked. So, drink your own medicine, no? That is your reading, Scorpio. Let's check ang zodiac sign ni person. I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. I am seeing Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, um, Yeah, the world card is there and Taurus, no? So yan ang iyong reading, Scorpio. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience and nagla-live po tayo doon. Scorpio, pwede po kayo mag-comment dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Tuloy pa rin ang ating hunt or manhunt, no? At tuloy pa dun sa mga fake accounts. Actually, dalawa na sila. So, the more, marami na kayong chances, no? Of winning. Ayan. Marami ng chances of sabihin natin na pwede kayong manalo ng free reading. Ayan. So, Scorpio, nandun po din sa description box yung lahat no ng information no na pwede nyo pong makuha. So, Scorpio, thank you so much. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you on the next reading. Goodbye.